Welcome back to our channel, cat lovers. Today we're going to talk about a very important topic for all cat owners out there, cat names. Specifically, cat names that start with the letter K. Whether you just brought home a new kitten or you're looking to rename your adult cat, we're sure you'll find the perfect name in our list catered to your letter of choice, K. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of cat names starting with the letter K. Up first, male cat names starting with K. Your little prince needs a name that suits its unique personality and masculine identity. Here are some K names that bring both to the table. Kaiser, Kobe, Coda, Knight, Kipling, Kismet, Cashmere, Kermit, Crypto, Kovu, Kirk, Kronos, Kane, Keanu, Kai, Kingston, Kodiak, Kenji, Kristoff. Next up is female cat names starting with the letter K. Before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our weekly name videos. These female K names are literally so fun for a female kitty and also super feminine. Kiki, Karma, Kiara, Kalista, Cora, Kitty, Kalia, Kendra, Kiera, Kalua, Katia, Kimiko, Kismet, Kylie, Cora, Kada, Cassie, Courtney, Kendall, Katniss. Unisex cat names. If you want something not too masculine and not too feminine, these K names will suit your fancy. Kai, Kitty, Cody, Kylo, Kovu, Casey, Coda, Kenya, Kip, Kirby, Callie, Keenan, Koa, Kamari, Keegan, KL, Kendrick, Kai, Kato, Keller. Fluffy K cat names. There's no denying that cuddling up with your furball cat is the best part of your day. These fluffy K names are too cute to pass up. Cashmere, Cuddle, Coco, Cuddles, Kringle, Kaiko, Kush, Koosh, Cloud, Coda Bear, Koala, Kuma, Kibble, Cushy, Cuddly, Caboodle, Cash, Cuddlykins. Food-inspired K cat names. Craving some fun and flavorful names for your cat? Check out this delicious list of food-inspired cat names starting with K. Kiwi, Kale, Ketchup, Crispy, Kettle Corn, Kebab, Kahlua, Kaleidoscope, Kumquat, Kettle, Kimchi, Kipper, Korma, Kool-Aid, Krusty, Kudzu, Kasha, Kit Kat, Kuggle, Krispy Kreme. Lastly, we have adorable and sweet cat names starting with K. Get ready to fall in love with these irresistibly adorable cat names that start with the letter K. Kimmy, Curly, Cream, Kiki, Kumi, Clyde, Calvin, Clutch, Klein, Cats, Kissy, Coco, Cleo, Kiss, Kisses, Kenji, Kazoo, Cairo, Candace, Clipper, Clutch, Kite. If you're still on the fence with a name, not to worry. Check out one of these videos where we go over cat names for every letter of the alphabet. Choose the video you want according to your cat's gender. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel and you like it, please subscribe.